In a world that's constantly evolving, where new technology emerges every day, and gadgets become more advanced and incredible, welcome to Technology and Gadgets. Hello, tech enthusiasts. I'm Adrian, your guide and companion on this journey into the fascinating realm of technology and gadgets. If you're as passionate about innovation as I am, then you're in the right place. Here at Technology and Gadgets, we dive deep into the past, exploring groundbreaking inventions that changed the world. We investigate the present, featuring the latest gadgets and marvels of technology, showcasing the coolest, the most functional, and the most extraordinary devices out there. And we journey into the future, envisioning the technology of tomorrow. What will our world look like in 10, 20, or 50 years from now? What advancements await us? From in-depth gadget reviews to interviews with inventors, from fun tech facts to discussions about technological breakthroughs, we've got it all. And it's not all about just watching. We are a community of tech enthusiasts. I invite you to join the conversations, comment, share your thoughts, ask questions. Your curiosity fuels this channel. So, if you are ready to dive into the captivating world of technology and gadgets, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so you never miss an update from us. Technology and Gadgets, understanding yesterday, exploring today, envisioning tomorrow.